Good morning, kindergartners. It's Mrs. Volpe. I'm here with your very first Wednesday distance learning day on your Chromebook. And you found the video. Awesome job. All right, let's go over today's jobs, okay? So right now you are looking at the Wednesday job chart that you see October 7th. And something super special about today, it's Mr. Dan's birthday, and we talked about that yesterday. So I was thinking tomorrow, remind me, we can make him happy birthday cards, okay? All right, so after you're done viewing this video, you can get right to work or check in with your adult or your caregiver and figure out a good plan on when you are going to finish your work today, okay? For math, job number 1, I'm right here. Math workbook page 37 and 38. You took that home yesterday in your blue folder. So if you look at this screen, this is exactly page 37 that you have in your blue folder. We're working on writing numbers and letters a lot right now, aren't we, boys and girls? So please take out your pencil out of your home learning materials bag. And instead of working with a highlighter and a pencil that you're used to in class, today we're just going to use a pencil, okay? So you are going to practice.
Write the numbers.
Write the numbers 1 and you see the numbers 2. This time, the blue dot is the starting dot. So that's where you're going to put your pencil, okay? When you're done with this page, flip it over and
write the number 3.
When you're done practicing the number 3, remember the little rhyme that we sang? Around the tree and around the tree, that's the way we make a 3. So you can kind of sing that to yourself when we're writing the 3. Then check in with your caregiver or your parent, and you're going to finish these 2 boxes. This one says,
draw 3 objects.
And those boxes, then you're going to check for understanding. Remember, boys and girls, we talked about this in class, those 2 vocabulary words, more and fewer. So this one asks, how do you know which one has more? All right, let's go back to our job chart. So that's job number 1. Job number 2 is when you're done with all of your jobs on this chart, to make it go away out of your activities in Seesaw, I want you to click on the response, the green button, add response, and you're going to take a picture of page 38. That's the backside with the number 3, okay? And let's go over to language arts. So in your blue folder, there's another worksheet stapled in. Oh, I'm sorry, that's job number 2. Silly Mrs. Volpe. Job number 1 is a Seesaw activity. So you're going to look for that light bulb. So when you click out of this video, you're going to see this posted in your activity. So there's the light bulb. Do you see where Mrs. Volpe is pointing to it? When you click on that, you probably already saw this. The noun sorting game, and then this is what you're in right now, the Wednesday, October 7th job chart. And remember, Mrs. Volpe said, always start with the job chart first so you can see my video. All right, so this activity is pretty simple, and we did a practice round with this today with sorting shapes. But you're going to tap on the add response. You're going to tap on the T to move the pictures, sort the pictures according to its category, okay? Person, place, or thing, okay? And then tap on the microphone to record yourself naming the pictures. Then when you're all done, tap the green check twice. Sound good? All right, and then let's go back to our chart. Job number 2 is that second worksheet I was talking about, the Reader's Notebook, page 17 and 18, and it looks like this. Page 17 is practicing the letter U, so go ahead and take out a pencil and practice that letter U. Then I want you to take your pencil and circle all the U's in this letter find. Okay? All right, flip it over. And ta-da! Our sight word of the week is the. I want you to practice reading the sentence and filling in the blank with that sight word, the. Use the writing highways. Remember, headline, belly button line, foot line. When you're done with that, you can stick it in your blue folder to send back to school to show Mrs. Volpe. If you're looking for more, check down here. There are 2 different links. You can practice writing numbers and number identification. You can practice our Zoophonics letter sounds, or you can click on our bonus board. It looks like this. You can go through this bonus board with your caregiver today, and you can pick. Maybe you want to do 2 extra jobs. It's up to you. This is your choice, just for fun. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a fabulous Wednesday, our very first distance learning with our Chromebooks, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good day.